The future of smartphones is here, and it's unlike anything we've seen before. Apple's latest release, the iPhone 16 Pro Max, has officially dropped, bringing some significant changes. From an incredibly powerful chip to a stunning new design, this phone has a lot to offer. Whether you're into photography, gaming, or just want a smooth, seamless experience, this phone is built to impress. In this video, we're going to dive into what makes the iPhone 16 Pro Max so special, its features, performance, and more. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of whether this phone is worth your hard-earned money. Stick around, and you might find exactly what you've been looking for in your next device. And if you're new to our channel, be sure to check the links in the description if you're ready to make this powerhouse yours. Build and design. The first thing you'll notice is the sleek and sturdy build. The iPhone 16 Pro Max has a body that measures 163 by 77.6 by 8.3 millimeters, making it slightly bigger but easy to hold. It weighs 227 grams, which feels solid without being too heavy. What's really impressive is the new titanium frame. This makes the phone not only lighter than its predecessors but also much more durable. The front and back are protected by Corning-made glass, giving you confidence against scratches and minor drops. Dust and water. In fact, it can survive up to 6 meters underwater for 30 minutes, which means you won't have to worry if it gets splashed or even submerged accidentally. The phone is available in some stunning new colors like black titanium, white titanium, natural titanium, and desert titanium, making it not just durable, but also stylish display quality. Next up, let's talk about the display. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a massive 6.9-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED screen. It's one of the best displays you can get on any smartphone right now. It has a screen-to-body ratio of 91.4%, meaning you're getting almost all screen and very little bezel. This screen is perfect for watching videos, playing games, or even working on the go. The resolution is top tier as well, 1320 by 2868 pixels, which delivers incredibly sharp visuals, whether you're watching 4K content or scrolling through social media. It also supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision, making your viewing experience rich and vibrant. The screen is also very bright, with up to 2000 nits of peak brightness under high brightness mode, so using it under direct sunlight is not an issue. Plus, the always-on display feature is back, letting you keep track of time and notifications without fully lighting up the screen, saving battery, performance, and chipset. At the heart of the iPhone 16 Pro Max is the new Apple A18 Pro chipset, which is built on a 3nm process. This is one of the most powerful chips ever put in a smartphone. It features a hexa-core CPU, with 2 high-performance cores running at 4.05 GHz and 4 efficiency cores at 2.42 GHz. This makes the phone incredibly fast, whether you're switching between apps, playing graphic-heavy games, or editing videos. For graphics, the Apple GPU with 6-core graphics provides smooth gaming performance, high frame rates, and excellent visual quality, making it a great choice for gamers and creators. If you run benchmarking tests, you'll see it easily surpasses other flagship devices. With 8 GB of RAM, multitasking is a breeze, and it comes with storage options ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB, so you won't run out of space anytime soon. Camera system. One of the biggest highlights of this device is the camera system. The iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with a triple camera setup on the back, and each lens is designed to give you professional-level photos. The primary camera is a 48MP wide lens with an aperture of f/1.8 and advanced sensor shift optical image stabilization, OIS, making it great for low-light photography and capturing fine details. Then there's the 12MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, allowing you to take crisp photos from a distance without losing quality. This lens is especially useful for portrait shots and capturing subjects far away. The 48MP ultra-wide lens is perfect for landscapes and group shots, with a wide field of view to get everything in frame. The phone also features a TOF 3D LiDAR scanner that helps with depth sensing, improving portrait photography and enhancing augmented reality (AR) applications. For video, the iPhone 16 Pro Max supports up to 4K at 120 frames per second with Dolby Vision HDR and 3D spatial audio for a truly immersive experience, selfie camera and video. On the front, the selfie camera is a 12MP wide lens with an aperture of f/1.9. It also includes OIS, making your selfies sharper and less prone to motion blur. This camera supports HDR and Dolby Vision HDR, just like the rear cameras, so you'll get high-quality shots whether you're taking selfies or shooting video. The front camera can record in 4K at 60 frames per second, making it one of the best front-facing cameras for video content creators. It also includes features like stereo sound recording and Euro EIS, electronic image stabilization, to keep your video smooth's battery life and charging. Battery life is always a concern with smartphones, but Apple has made sure that's not an issue with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's equipped with a 4,685 mAh battery, which offers excellent endurance. Based on tests, the phone can provide up to 17 hours and 18 minutes of active use, which includes everything from browsing, streaming, to gaming. So you can easily go a full day on a single charge. When you need to charge up, it supports 50% charge in just 30 minutes using wired fast charging. It also supports 25W wireless charging with MagSafe, 15W wireless charging in select regions, and even reverse wired charging, allowing you to charge other devices like your AirPods on the go, connectivity and extra features. The iPhone 16 Pro Max offers the latest in wireless technology with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast, stable connections for your online activities. It also features USB-C, which allows for faster data transfer and charging, and it includes ultra-wideband, UWB, Gen 2, making it easier to find lost items with precision. It has all the necessary sensors including Face ID, accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and more. Plus, there's emergency SOS and satellite messaging for added security in remote areas, ensuring you're always connected even when cellular signals fail. Pricing and availability. Lastly, let's talk about price. The iPhone 16 Pro Max starts at $1,199 for the 256GB version. It's also available in 512GB and 1TB variants for those who need more storage. It's available in several regions including the US, UK, and India, with prices starting at £1,199 or 144,900 Indian rupees in India. If you're impressed with what this phone has to offer and want to experience it firsthand, check the description below for purchase links. And if you're still undecided, you can watch our next video on the screen for a comparison with other top devices.